Each month's full moon has a traditional name based on natural and agricultural events. July's full moon, known as the Mead Moon, celebrates the honey harvest and mead brewing, an ancient alcoholic drink made from fermented honey. While it's also called the Buck Moon, Thunder Moon, and Hay Moon, this ritual will focus on the Mead Moon to harness its symbolic themes of sweetness, abundance, and celebration. This full moon is ideal for communication and social interaction, making it a perfect time for romantic endeavors, divination rituals, and casting spells to manifest your desires. Ensure you have a clear intention before you begin, or write it down in your Book of Shadows for focused guidance during your ritual. How does this spell work? Red candles are used to invoke strength and determination, while gold candles represent success and achievement. Honey is used to draw love, wealth, and harmony due to its properties of binding and preserving. Its natural sweetness can enhance the potency of spells by adding a layer of attraction and sealing the intent. Cast this spell on a Sunday or during any of the 3 nights when the moon is full in July. You will need 1 honey jar or mead bottle, 1 red candle, 1 gold candle, a small bowl of water, pen and paper, a piece of red ribbon, a small stone or crystal. Find a quiet space, set your intention, and light the red and gold candles. Place the honey jar or mead bottle in front of the candles, visualizing the strength and abundance of the season. See or visualize the full moon above. Write your challenges and desired strength on the paper. When you're ready, tie it with the red ribbon. Hold the stone or crystal, sprinkle water over the scroll, and say, "By the abundance of the Mead Moon and the sweetness of honey, I call upon resilience and prosperity." Spend a few moments in quiet reflection, absorbing the moon's energy. Close the ritual by extinguishing the candles, and keep the scroll as a reminder of your intentions and strength. What to do with the leftovers of the spell? Continue burning the candles to manifest your intention throughout the season. Keep the red ribbon with you, attaching it to your journal or Book of Shadows as a reminder of the Mead Moon spell's power. Store any remaining mead or honey in a cool, dark place. Use it to anoint ritual tools, cleanse sacred spaces, or for a celebratory toast in future rituals. Have a blessed full moon.